Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys already know who it is. It's your girl Hayes Priscilla, and I'm back with another video, of course. Oh yeah, PSA 2. If you guys like this sweater that I have on, make sure to watch my try on haul. I probably would have posted that video before this one. So yeah, you guys can go check it out and see where I got it from.
Cash on me, like I hit the lottery. Hoes a trip, watch on how they follow me. Wait, honey's blue, yeah, I got them all on me. Go, 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 go. Go, let's go.
So this video is actually gonna be about some hair. What's new? It's me. This is what I do. So I'm literally unboxing it right in front of you guys. I have not tried it on yet. I have not done anything to it. So this hair is from Atina Queen. Yeah, their vendor off of AliExpress, excuse me. So yeah, this is what I have. I'm literally gonna show you guys what is in the box and everything right now. So y'all can see it has the hair in there. I'm gonna get into that, but it comes with the wig caps and it comes with an adjustable band, elastic band, not adjustable. I mean, either or, but it's a band, okay? Nice and elastic and stretchy, so I'm pretty happy. This is my first time getting one of these from a company, so that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So here is the hair. So it's a 13 by 6 lace front wig, 24 inches, and it's 180% density. So I'm gonna just show you guys what the hair looks like out the box and everything. So I kind of adjusted my camera a little better so y'all can even see this cute sweater I'm talking about. You know, like how cute, feel me? So yeah, let me show you guys the hair outside the box and everything. But yeah, it's my first time ordering from Atina Queen, so we're gonna find out today, y'all. So this is what it's looking like. Obviously it comes with like a little mesh protector to keep the, you know, the hair together and everything like that. So I'm gonna just take that off. So this is what the color is looking like. So it's actually like an ombre wig. So what y'all think? You know, I had to switch it up once again. I just did the red, but I was like, let me do some blonde, some honey blonde, feel me? So it comes with this little thing in there too. And look at the lace, y'all. Y'all see this lace? Y'all see this? Look, all this parting space. So it's a 13 by 6 lace frontal. It comes with 2 combs in the front, as y'all can see, and 1 comb in the back. So yeah, that's what the wig is looking like. What y'all think about the color? I'm super excited. Like I'm just excited for this wig, so we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna come back once I take this off, and I'll just slap the unit on to my head. So I'll be back. So here, you guys, here's what the unit is looking like on. Like, look at all this lace that they put on here. I know it's looking kind of crazy, but that's because, you know, it's not on fully. But I'm actually liking this color. Let me get this little brush. Let's just brush it down. Y'all, I'm actually really liking this. The curls in there are super nice. So I am 5'4". This is where it goes down to me. It goes like all the way down to my waist, like once you pull it out. So that's pretty cool. So it does have like this blonde right in the front, like these 2 kind of strands, where it's like blonde all the way through, more like from the root to the ends, you can see. And all the rest of it is more like ombre effect, kind of starts like halfway through the strand. But yeah, I'm about to put this on. I'm about to cut the lace now. I'll show you guys how I do that. So. My trusty handy dandy little skillers, you feel me? So let me start in the middle actually. What we're gonna have to do though is add powder to this. Okay, y'all can see that was what we needed. Y'all can see the lace is blending way better. Yes, hunty. So I'm gonna just take these off. Kind of debating if I'm going to glue it down. I don't know if I'm gonna glue it down just yet. I think I'm just gonna use those handy dandy combs. I don't even think I need to really pluck the parting. The parting is actually pretty good. because I can get a little trigger happy with the parting space. What I am gonna do though, I'm gonna take this hot comb to just get this part sitting down right, put some mousse in it. Just the mousse I'm gonna be using, just Suave Max Hold. Obviously, if you're using heat, you want to use heat protectant. So I'm gonna use this Tresemme heat tamer. When I do actually glue my wigs down or whatever, because I did have someone ask me this, I use my Got To Be glue freezing spray. I find that works better on thicker laces, but if it's really thin lace, like I had this like wet wavy curls, you know, like when you have to wet them, whatever, I found that that lace tends to be thinner, at least from the company that I ordered from. So I found that the Got To Be glue in the black bottle, like where it's like actually like a gel, works way better on that lace because it's thinner, so you kind of really want that to hold. But with thicker lace, the freezing spray is good enough. A hot comb, y'all, if you wear wigs, get a hot comb. If you wear weaves, whatever, get a hot comb. Like, this literally changed the game. Like, I just feel like everyone needs a hot comb in your house. Just do it. Your mom probably has one under the, you know, bathroom sink, whatever. Pull it out, because this is gonna get your unit looking right. Fix a little bit of these curls here, or maybe use some mousse. But I am kind of liking the natural curl. It looks really pretty here. I think just got a little frizzy, so I'm gonna just try to put some mousse down and see how it looks. But I'm definitely gonna use this to just kind of get these flyaways and this part looking crispy, okay? So just give me a second. So yeah, I just put on my hot comb and that's heating up now. So what I'm gonna do is just put some mousse in my hair to see if I can get this kind of frizz down a little bit. Okay, see, a little mousse don't hurt nobody. But y'all, like, y'all literally saw me just take this hair out the box and put it on my head, y'all. This literally, even though it's not one of them like synthetic shake and goes, this is literally like one of those wigs you can just put on. I don't know if I want to put heat to it just yet. Show you guys the original curls that it had, but I think my hot comb is hot enough now. So, and I got this hot comb from Walmart for like $20 or something. I'm gonna fact check that, but y'all, get you a hot comb. Like, I cannot stress that enough. Get you a hot comb. Like, it just makes everything so much easier. Like, I'm gonna get this part crispy, you feel me? Like, it just be, ooh, everything looking right. Because this way I don't even need to really pluck my parting space, because I can just make it more evident through this, you feel me? Y'all, I'm actually messing with this unit. What do you guys think about this color on me? Like, this makes me happy to try color. Step outside my comfort box a little bit. That's what I'm doing all 2020. This is a honey blonde highlighted wig. It's a body wave Remy pre-plucked ombre brown lace front wig. It's 3x6, so doom across the front or whatever. Y'all saw that. Yeah, I'm really liking it. I like the color and everything. Obviously I just pulled it out, so I'm not really, ooh. Y'all see I get a few strands right there. Let's try the other side. Hopefully not as much. Got one strand there. So maybe it's because they dyed their hair, I'm not sure. Probably this didn't come like this color originally, so that's probably why it's shedding. I'll put a little more mousse to this, but giving me, don't talk to me unless you have a Hellcat and you're not in my tax bracket. That's what it's giving me. Don't talk to me unless you have a 401k plan. That's what this unit is giving me. So in terms of sizing, I found out my circumference of my head is like 22 centimeters, something like that, which is like a small cap. This fits me pretty well. As you can see, obviously I didn't glue it down or whatever. So you have a good amount of space here. Probably have to cut this tab. Just, y'all look at this curve right here. It's so pretty. Look at this. Oh, I don't want to mess it up, but like not all of it is curled properly. Somebody just straighten it. Oh, I but want to. Y'all see that curl? That is so pretty. This side too. This hair is so soft. That's another thing I did not mention. This hair is so soft. Like, y'all, stop playing with Atina. Like, what do I look like? I'm giving you caramel, chocolate, drizzled caramel vibes, you know, a little butterscotch, you feel me? But yeah, I'm about to just show you guys how I'm gonna curl this. So I'm using my Tresemme. Make sure you put heat protectant. If you want your units to last, make sure you put heat protectant, because Just like you put heat protectant on your hair. I mean, at least you should. I'm saying all of us do, but you definitely should. You want to put heat protectant on here as well too. So I'm just gonna curl this now. That's what this hair is looking like. All I have for this video, basically. Make sure if you guys like this sweatshirt, go check out the haul. I probably dropped before this video, so you guys can figure out where this shirt is from. But you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Priscilla family, Hates Priscilla family. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye-bye.
Honey's blue, yeah, I got them all on me. Go, 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 let's go.